Last summer when I was working on my Growing Success workshop, I posted this question on my Facebook page. What's something that someone said to you in a work setting that left you thinking, I can't believe they just said that? I had more responses to that post than any post I've ever made. And some of the things that people said kind of shocked me. Like, really? A person said that to you at work? Yeah, and a lot of them were things people remembered from years ago, even decades ago. And a few of them said, yeah, I went on to leave that job. So, wicked tip number one for creating a growth environment is the atmosphere is affirming. People are being intentional about encouraging and supporting and recognizing others for the good things they're doing, building them up rather than tearing them down. That sounds so simple, right? Just say nice things. And it is. But it's not always easy. Lots of reasons for that. But at least two are we get busy and we kind of forget, oh, when was the last time I said something affirming? And the other is we get bothered. People can bug us. And then it's easier to focus on, what they're doing that we don't like rather than what they're doing that we do like. So here's an insanely practical suggestion that you can use to get you thinking about being affirming. Answer these two questions. When was the last time that you received a handwritten note of praise or recognition for a job well done? And the second one is, when was the last time you wrote a handwritten note of praise or recognition for a job well done? See, there's something about handwriting a note that gets at who we are in a different way than just THX in a text message. Because when you're writing, you're saying, hey, you matter. Now, if you're starting to sweat and you're thinking, okay, but I'm not a writer. Here's another simple template that you can use. When X happened, I felt Y, and Z was the result. So when you took the time to schedule that meeting and hear my concerns, I felt relieved. And I realized that being heard just made the problem not seem so big. Thanks. Okay, that's not any big thing to do. And yet, the person on the receiving end of that, I guarantee you, they're going to feel affirmed. When you affirm the people that you live with and work with and interact with, you're setting the example. And people do what people see. So, start affirming, and you're going to start creating a growth environment. Wicked tip number 2 tomorrow. Stay tuned so you can bloom.